I'll never forget the holiday dinner where my old single-wall oven completely died right before the turkey went in. Running to the neighbor's house with a raw bird was humiliating. When I finally decided to upgrade to a double wall oven, the sheer number of options, confusing convection terms, and sky-high price tags left me paralyzed. You probably felt that exact same overwhelm. That's why I spent months testing the most popular models to cut through the marketing noise. Today, we're counting down the top 7 double wall ovens, and our number 1 pick completely redefines baking. When I first had this premium double wall oven installed in the test kitchen, I was immediately struck by its imposing, professional aesthetic. The heavy-duty stainless steel finish, massive glass windows, and signature analog-style clock give it a beautifully classic look that anchors a kitchen visually. Thermador has built a massive reputation in the luxury appliance market, so my expectations for its daily cooking performance were exceptionally high right out of the gate. During my initial testing, the built-in commercial-style rotisserie in the upper oven genuinely impressed me. I hooked up a whole chicken, and the heavy-duty motor spun it flawlessly, yielding incredibly juicy meat with a perfectly crisp, golden brown skin that rivaled my favorite local deli. The true convection system also showed promise during my first few baking tests, moving air efficiently enough to bake 2 trays of cookies with relatively even browning. The soft close hinges on the massive doors are another luxurious touch, preventing those harsh slams when you are in a rush. However, as I spent more time living with the Thermador, some incredibly frustrating design choices began to overshadow the good. The primary issue lies in the digital interface and the smart capabilities. The touchscreen can be excruciatingly slow to respond, often requiring multiple hard taps just to set a simple bake temperature. Furthermore, the Home Connect app integration proved to be incredibly buggy during my testing period, frequently dropping its Wi-Fi connection and failing to send me crucial timer alerts when I was in another room. Additionally, for an appliance that demands such a premium price tag, the cooling fan noise is shockingly loud. Six, Bosch HBL8651UC. Bosch is world-renowned for bringing sleek, minimalist European design and precise engineering into residential kitchens. Installing this double wall oven instantly elevated the space with its clean lines and heavy, flush-to-cabinet installation. I was eager to dive into testing this model because it promises consistent, quiet performance, and the massive capacity split between the upper and lower cavities seemed perfect for tackling large, multi-course dinner parties without breaking a sweat. When I tested the genuine European convection system, the oven delivered some beautiful results. I loaded the upper cavity with 3 racks of artisan bread, and the dedicated third heating element surrounding the convection fan ensured that every single loaf baked with a beautiful, crusty exterior and a soft, airy crumb. The included meat probe also worked quite well when roasting a prime rib, automatically shutting off the heat exactly when the meat reached a perfect medium rare, taking all the guesswork out of the cooking process. Unfortunately, the day-to-day usability of this Bosch oven revealed some glaring flaws that I simply couldn't ignore over my weeks of testing. First and foremost, the touch control panel is highly temperamental. If your fingers are even slightly damp or greasy, which is a constant reality when you're actively cooking, the panel outright refuses to register inputs. I found myself having to constantly dry my hands and furiously wipe down the glass panel just to turn on the interior light or adjust the cooking timer. Furthermore, the preheat times are agonizingly slow compared to the other models on this list. Waiting for the oven to reach 400 degrees felt like an eternity, completely throwing off my meal prep timing on busy weeknights. 5. Cafe CTD 90FP2NS1. This oven completely rethinks the traditional drop-down door design by introducing stunning French doors on the upper oven cavity. The moment you see this appliance, you immediately understand it is something special. The customizable hardware. I tested the brushed bronze handles against the matte black finish. makes this oven feel like a bespoke piece of kitchen furniture rather than a standard utilitarian appliance. The French door design isn't just about good looks. It is an absolute game changer for kitchen ergonomics. During my testing, I found that being able to open both doors simultaneously with just one hand completely eliminated the awkward lean over you usually have to do with heavy drop-down doors. Pulling heavy roasting pans and delicate pastries out of the upper oven became incredibly easy and vastly safer. The lower oven retains the standard drop-down door, giving you a massive combined capacity of 10 cubic feet to work with. The technology inside this cafe oven is just as impressive as the exterior hardware. The vibrant, full-color touch display is as responsive as a high-end smartphone, offering a highly intuitive menu system. I extensively tested the built-in precision cooking modes, which guide you step by step through cooking hundreds of recipes. I selected the preset for a bone-in pork chop, and the oven automatically adjusted the temperature and cooking time based on the specific cut and weight, resulting in a flawlessly juicy dinner with zero stress. Baking performance is outstanding across both cavities. The true European convection with direct air pushes heat perfectly down from the top and around the sides, creating a highly uniform baking environment. For GE Profile PTD7000SNSS. If you want a double wall oven that brings heavy-hitting modern technology into your kitchen without being overly complicated, this GE Profile is an absolute powerhouse. The design is sleek and modern, featuring an edge-to-edge glass door that looks completely seamless. Once installed, it instantly modernizes the kitchen, and a massive 7-inch interactive touchscreen on the control panel feels incredibly inviting and easy to navigate from day one. One of the standout features I relentlessly tested on this model is the integrated no preheat air fry. Usually, air frying in a massive wall oven yields mediocre results compared to countertop units, but GE has nailed the airflow engineering. I loaded a massive perforated pan with frozen chicken wings, bypassed the preheat phase entirely, and within 25 minutes, I had perfectly crispy wings. It is an incredibly convenient feature for feeding a crowd quickly without cluttering up your countertops with secondary appliances. When it comes to traditional baking, the true European convection system does not disappoint. I pushed this oven to its limits by baking 4 distinct layers of a complex wedding cake simultaneously in the upper cavity. Thanks to the advanced air circulation, I never once had to open the door to rotate the pans. Every single layer emerged perfectly level and baked to the exact same degree of doneness. The glide racks operate with buttery smoothness, even when loaded down with a 20-pound Thanksgiving turkey. The smart connectivity on the GE Profile is genuinely useful rather than just a gimmick. I love being able to use my smartphone to start preheating the oven while I was still at the grocery store. 3. LG WDS9428F. LG has been pushing the boundaries of what home appliances can do, and this sleek, stainless steel titan is a perfect example of their innovation. The first thing that draws your eye is the stunning InstaView window. A quick double knock on the tinted glass instantly turns on the brilliant LED interior lights, allowing you to check on your rising bread or browning casseroles without opening the door and letting out precious heat. The core of this oven's incredible performance is LG's ProBake convection system. Unlike traditional ovens that generate heat from the bottom, this system places the heating element on the back wall directly surrounding the convection fan. During my testing, this resulted in ridiculously fast preheat times and a baking environment that felt almost aggressively consistent. I baked a massive batch of puff pastry appetizers, and the intense, even heat gave them an incredible lift and a perfectly flaky, golden texture that I usually only get from professional bakery ovens. What truly elevates this LG into the top 3 is the built-in steam sous vide feature. I was highly skeptical of doing sous vide without a water bath, but this oven changed my mind completely. I vacuum-sealed several thick-cut steaks and let the oven maintain a hyper-precise, low-temperature steam environment for hours. The results were mind-blowing. The meat was cooked to the exact degree of doneness from edge to edge, retaining an unbelievable amount of moisture and flavor before I finished them with a quick pan sear. The day-to-day maintenance and usability of this oven are phenomenal. The glide racks pull out fully and effortlessly, making it easy to baste heavy roasts. 2. Wolf DO 3050 PM/S/P. Wolf is the gold standard for professional-grade home appliances, and installing this massive unit with its iconic red knobs instantly signals that you are incredibly serious about cooking. The build quality is unlike anything else on the market. The stainless steel is thick and unyielding. The doors close with a satisfying, vault-like thud, and the entire unit feels like it will easily outlast the house it's built into. The secret weapon of the M series is the dual verticross convection system. Instead of a single fan at the back, Wolf utilizes two massive columnar fans that span the height of the back wall. When I tested the convection mode, the air circulation was so precise that there were literally no hot or cold spots in the entire cavity. I loaded all 3 racks with delicate sugar cookies, and every single cookie from the front left corner to the back right baked identically. It is a level of precision that genuinely leaves you speechless. The interactive gourmet mode is another feature that completely justifies the luxury price tag. I tested this by selecting the prime rib preset. The oven told me exactly which rack position to use and told me to insert the included temperature probe. The oven then automatically executed a high heat sear to crust the outside before dropping the temperature to slowly roast the interior to perfection. It basically acts as a built-in sous chef, guaranteeing spectacular results for nearly 50 different classic dishes. Everything about interacting with this Wolf oven feels incredibly premium. The interior is bathed in brilliant theater-style halogen lighting that makes checking on your food a visual treat. After rigorously testing all these models, this KitchenAid emerged as the absolute perfect balance of jaw-dropping baking performance, gorgeous aesthetics, and undeniable value. The signature professional styling, featuring those iconic knurled handles and the striking red medallions, gives it an incredibly bold, premium look that instantly becomes the focal point of any kitchen remodel. The sheer cooking power of this oven lies in the even heat true convection system present in both the upper and lower cavities. During my most demanding tests, this unique bow-tie-shaped baffle and convection fan system delivered flawless results every single time. I baked delicate soufflés, massive holiday hams, and multiple racks of artisan pizzas, and the KitchenAid never faltered. The heat distribution is so mathematically precise that you never have to worry about rotating pans or shifting racks halfway through a recipe. Opening the doors reveals a stunning cobalt blue porcelain interior that isn't just beautiful to look at, it actually helps reflect light to give you a clearer view of your food as it cooks. With a massive combined capacity of 10 cubic feet, you have an incredible amount of space to work with. The heavy-duty satin glide rollout extension racks are a dream to use. I was able to effortlessly pull out a massive, bubbling lasagna to add more cheese without struggling against the weight of the pan. What makes the KitchenAid KODE500ESS our ultimate winner is how intuitively it operates. The glass touch display is highly responsive, simple to navigate, and completely free of the frustrating lag we saw in other models. The included temperature probe takes the anxiety out of roasting meats, and the overall reliability of the appliance is legendary.